It's looking a bit cooked. I think I just run top side then.
Okay,
Fuck,
Aurora, no
man.
flash, no
It's
ults.
flash.
So base again.
I will go top.
They're basing.
I
should
just
swap
flash
here.
no ult. I have the TP top,
Yeah,
no?
maybe I can kill him.
Or do you
Yeah,
swap?
we can kill him. I
We should
think.
swap.
Okay, he's
We
out.
should swap?
Okay. Varus no ulti for this
Okay,
Grubs
what?
fight, by the way.
Varus no ults. Yeah. He still has no flash for
Right.
2 minutes.
We'll find
Don't try to
anything.
cancel
Everyone's
this Aurora.
leaving. Yep.
Okay.
They're
top?
TPing top.
TPing top.
We have mid trio for this Grubs.
Look on this
Atrix
way,
is no
guys.
TP, okay? Atrix no flash, okay? Atrix no flash.
They might all
Not-
open here.
Nautilus is
Not-
opening top side. The ult top.
Multi
opening
Varus
top
here.
side.
They're gonna play for mid
Unfavorable.
power first. I think.
Yeah. Varus is here
I
to
need
push
to
bot.
base.
Yeah, we played
Yeah, I'm
him too.
pushing.
Just
He's
push
not
bot.
letting me base.
Might be
Heard
good.
that?
No, you're dead.
I cannot help. I need to base. This is all gone.
I'm gonna try to thin top wave and then I think we need to
I can open top again.
reswap or something.
Well, actually, if Nautilus runs bot, then we can slowly look. We won't get all, but we can maybe look one.
Yeah, we're going
Bots?
bar right now. No,
But I don't win against Wukong,
mid.
so I
Aatrox
need
is
someone
gapping
else.
me here. I'm coming.
Okay.
I have to go this way.
They're coming back. I mean, yeah, they're coming back. They see us entering.
I wanna turn here, by the way. Look
Look here, Augury. Look on us, look on us.
I kind of need to EQ out. I'm
Not
coming
is
to you
dead.
guys. Go back, go back, go back. Good.
Aurora was maybe looking for TP.
Yeah.
I have ulti.
Mid, David.
I have a good ulti
TPing,
here.
I'm TPing, I'm TPing.
Flash out.
Play, I'm
I'm
open
TPing there,
forward.
I'm TPing there.
Too late.
Mm.
Let's ward it. Aurora
We can
just
place a
jumped
little
here.
bit, by the way. On the bars, no ults.
You wanna enter bot, no? Or Aurora's
Wait, do y'all play?
No, he just died.
Bars barrier.
Unlucky.
Okay.
No ult Aurora, she's 1 HP.
No flash on her too. No flash.
Nice.
Bro, what?
They cancel
Still no
you.
flash,
Yeah.
Do
I'm
we
going
play
bot.
Drake?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm fighting the dragon.
Bars, no barrier, guys.
He's
They
looking
have
for
the
the really OP
position
now,
though.
by the way. But he can't play if he is on his screen, so we should play for this.
I need to go bot. They have
Can we not
ward.
contest this? We have first, by the way. First mid.